Welcome back, everyone, to my channel. So I want to say thank you very much for even clicking on this video, first and foremost, and even for showing you guys, showing me some love, and just even being here alone means a lot. All right, so I want to say thank you again, even for all the new subscribers and all the old ones as well too. I want to thank you for each and every one of you guys. All right, so today's video, as you can see, is all about K-100. So K-100 I want to been around for a little while, not that long, but still a little while. And what we know about K-100 is that it pays out 10% per day for 5 days, and well, actually 10 days, but 5 business days, and don't count the weekends. So basically almost like 2 weeks. And then at the end of the 10 days, you will get back basically what you put in plus the extra 25% of whatever you invest in, or whatever capital you happen to put in there. All right, so that don't sound too hard, don't sound too bad. So now for my little journey that I'm gonna share with you guys, and again, if you ever decide to even take part in any one of these other platforms that I'm sharing, of course, make sure and only invest what you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, you just never know what could happen. But at the same time, if you happen to hit and you win, then all right, you win. And make sure you remove your principal, whatever amount that you happen to put in. And of course, go with risk management and be as cautious as possible. All right. So, and this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Okay, my opinion. So, of course, again, we're all grown folks. Well, I like to believe so. But nevertheless, all right, let's get this thing started. So, I've been in here now for the past 4 days, and each day that passed by, as you can see, I already gained over $40. And then now what my next step is, and the $40, as you can see, is in TRC20. It doesn't sound too bad. So with a simple $100 investment from over here, you can see if you type in even up to 1,000, it's showing how much you will make per day. Even if you do add another zero to make it 10,000, this is how much you also make per day. Wow, that sounds crazy good, right? And at the end of the 10 days, you'll be making at least, let me see, be 1,000, sorry, 10,000, 2,500. So basically 12,500. All right, so now that doesn't sound too bad, right? Or for just 10,000. So, but I'm not saying for you to put in that much, only unless if you don't mind. But again, just be cautious. That's all I'm saying. So even if you happen to even be as reasonable as I am, $100 giving you $10. Not bad. Let's say if you make it to 500. $500 $50. $50 giving you at the end of the 10 days 625. Still not too bad. It's even a little bit reasonable. So that's just the amount. All right. So, and again, of course, if you wish to share your link, here where your link will be, and you just click on copy, and then that's it. So what I'm going to do now also for this video is how to make a withdrawal. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a withdrawal, put it in, and then I'll also give you guys an update of when I happen to receive it, just to give it a time frame of when to expect it whenever you make a withdrawal. Already hoping it can be a lot more faster, but nevertheless. So here you'll choose the coin that has the money, which is, for me, is a TRC20 USDT. After you click on that, Then of course, you've seen your amount here. The minimum is $20, but right now we have $39.92. And we are going to send to our wallet. Now I try to put in a pin. I'm hoping that's the pin, because I can't remember the pin right now. And don't forget, there's also a fee of 10% of whatever you happen to be trying to withdraw here. All right, let's see. It goes. All files are required. What did I miss? What did I miss? Did I miss anything? Change. Nope, it's not change. All files are required. Let's do just 39. All right, click confirm. So all files are required. So what am I missing? Am I missing anything in particular? All right, let's just double check and see if I happen to put in my address, which I believe I did. Just want to double check this to make sure. And the site can do move a little bit slow-ish. I really wish that I could really work on that that speed for sure. Okay. So it seemed like the address is not here, which I believe I thought I did put it in, but that's okay. It shouldn't take any long length of time. So I'm going to do real quick is put in this address. All right, click receive, copy. Just bear with me, guys. All right. All right, once that is done, all right, we receive the address. Once we copy, all right, get rid of this. And we're going to paste the address here. All right, then I'm going to put in a pin. Now, while it's loading, hopefully it's able to go through a little faster. And again, so far if I happen to, I'm going to withdraw in. All right, guys, so there's a lesson to learn. Always write down your pin, but just in case that you could simply forget it. Now, what's my pin again? I really can't believe I already forgot my pin. All right. I think that is it. Come on. Come on. Okay. I can't believe I really forgot my pen. That is just unbelievable. I don't think that is it neither. Oh. Okay, good. I got it. All right, we're up to successfully. All right, awesome. All right. Of course, don't do what I just did. I also kind of forgot my pen. I made sure to write it down. Now let's go back. I'm trying to withdraw these funds. So you click on the USDT, make it only just 39. And now I remember my pin. Yay. Click on confirm. And while that is spinning, hey, I'm about to get some money. Well, some coins. So let's go. All right, so it says your withdrawal request has been accepted. Check your statistics to view your withdrawal history. Back to dashboard. All right. So I'll let you guys know when I receive the cha-ching. And once it is done, I'll definitely update it by giving you guys another video on the progress on it so far. All right. Okay. So where would you see this? That's something investment. Click on dashboard. I still wish this thing was a little faster. Come on. Okay. All right, so far about $1 left back. And let me see if they're showing any pending withdrawals. Oh, okay, the last withdrawal since in 38.99. All right. So they haven't shown in total withdrawals yet because I have not received anything as yet. So let's say I think I was told it takes about 38, either 24 to 48 to 36 hours, for you to receive your funds. So as soon as I'm able to receive it, like I said, I'll let you guys know. So what do you guys think? Do you think it seemed like it might be a little promising, or it seems like something that folks on tour might be able to want to give it a try or not? Tell me what you guys think, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Come on, guys. I know you guys could do it. So thanks for your support, and do have a blessed one. Adios.